Any other questions on the subjects at hand? No. Yes, ma'am.
As we approach the end of the year, if you can, I have two questions. One is, do you think that the Capitol is safer this year than it was a year ago?
Of course I do. But we will always ensure that that is the case, and we are having all of the reviews of what we pass into law and how that is being implemented. But let me just say this about 1 year ago, and that is, I don't think that whatever preparation anybody would have made, that anybody could predict that the President of the United States would incite an insurrection, and a violent one. So I don't fault anybody for not knowing, who have responsibility of communication and the rest on all of this, that the President was instigating this. I'm very proud of the work of the January 6th committee. As you see, we see it together in the public domain, the actions that they are taking to seek the truth. And the truth will tell us some things about our exposure then further. But also, I don't know if you can see, but from the windows in the Capitol, we can see actions being taken to protect the Capitol more further.
And also there is a lot of conversation among members and staff about just the breakdown of comity in Congress and the tensions between the two parties. 400 staff members sent a letter to leadership today saying that they don't feel safe.
Now the radical Democrats have yet another witch hunt, no different than Russia, Russia, Russia. The Unselect Committee of Political Hacks. They're Democratic hacks, and they're vicious. And every one of them voted to impeach me, every one of them. And then you have Liz Cheney, who's now polling at 16%. And Adam Kinzinger, he's another beautiful, he's a crier. He cries every time you talk to him. Who, by the way, just dropped out of the race because he didn't have the courage to run it. And we just lost Katko, too. He's gone now, too. They're fallen fast and furious. The ones that voted to impeach, we're getting rid of them fast. Nancy Pelosi has turned the U.S. House of Representatives into a Stalinist show trial. That's what it is. They just get the Democrats to stick together and just vote, and people get impeached. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace to our country, what's happening. And it takes the meaning out of the word. The Unselect Committee is out of control, secretly and illegally collecting many months' worth of phone records that you don't even know about.